Now it's time to talk about the family that treated me as their own for the remainder of this trip. This is Jeanette. I was introduced to her through Sandra, who I met during a bus ride from Manizales to Medellin. Through them, they introduced me to Juan and everyone else. I have this rule that I don't stay too long at a particular spot because I know the locals do watch patterns of people, and I'm trying not to get caught slipping. I gotta dip. Literally, I gotta dip and I gotta go somewhere else. If you guys seen my previous videos where I met a friend from Manizales and then she introduced me to her best friend and her family. So the best friend actually says that I could come through and chill with her and her family and we're gonna have some lunch. So I said, okay, well, let's see what the lunch is gonna be. If we're gonna go out, I don't know. If we're gonna have lunch inside, I don't know. So right now I'm gonna hop on a cab, 4 minutes away, and yeah, let's go get some lunch, even though I'm already full, all right? So, yeah, my itsy bitsy little space, bro. Kid you not. Yeah, it's warm today. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Muchas gracias. Es muy tranquilo hoy.
Yeah, mucho problema. Yesterday.
Oh, habla inglés.
Little. Little. Now for me, speak English is strong. Why? Because people in Colombia don't speak English, no practice. I don't remember little, yeah. I working in Sinai and India and they form inspiration.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Check this out. My mom got a bunch of these. Yo, if the cops shoot back at people over here like nothing, bro, I ain't asking for no trouble at all. Definitely not. I ain't looking for no trouble. I ain't asking for no trouble. I'll just keep my papaya to myself. You know what I'm saying? Hola. What's going on, brother? Buenas.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, escuche muy deliciosos amorezo aquí. Sí, amorezo. Sí. Gracias. Sí. Tú sabes. We're starting off with some soup. Delicious plate that I got. And I got some dipping sauce. It goes on top. Oh my plátanos. Hey. Yogurt, limón. ¿Qué más? Largo limón.
Limón, sal.
Limón.
Y se deja la leche que se dañe.
No, yo, what?
Y ya cuando sale que sale estos líquidos, se le echa limón.
Muy rico.
Sí.
Come muy rápido. Yeah. Very fast. I just get started. Sí, muy rápido. No, I'm next. I'm with Juan now. I feel more comfortable walking around. I'm gonna go for a walk because I want to see the area. It's better this way. Okay. Won't leave y'all alone.
Okay. Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Okay.
Serenata? Okay.
Okay.
Hey, you know it.
Okay. Hola.
Okay. They're going in. Okay. Okay. So this is where people work out. They got the stone weights and stuff over here too. I've been seeing a lot of this all over Colombia. I think it's actually pretty legit. I don't know how heavy this is, but this thing got some weight to it. It's a legit stone. It's a legit gym. Gym, you know what I'm saying? This is, dang, you got some Flintstone style weights and stuff over here. Wow. There is no excuse, y'all. Legit, there's no excuse over here. You got the curls and all that, yo. They find a way to make it work, bro. Let me lift some weights. What's going on, y'all? I'm here with Juan. We here at the park. Walk the dog, did some exercise. Look at these Flintstone type of weights, bro. It really packs some weight to it. This is something not really to play with. Juan was just telling me that he runs a business, and before he came to his neighborhood, where he was before was like not so great, but he was able to run a business with motorcycles, rental cars, and he fixes most of them. He rents and he fixes some of them and he sells them back. But the majority of them, he rents cars, rents motorcycles, and gets things together where you can have rapping and stuff going on. Pero contarme sobre tu negocio.
Negocio es rentar carros. Rentar carros. Rentar carros, rentar motocicletas, bicicletas. Ayudar a la gente. Acá en Colombia.
Okay. And I'm going to ask him how many years, ¿cuánto tiempo tienes un negocio?
Hace 4 años.
4 años. And I'm going to ask him how is the business doing. ¿Y cómo está tu negocio? ¿Es negocio sucediendo muy rápido, muy bueno?
Es un crecimiento rápido por el tema de la pandemia, por el tema del coronavirus. Está expandiendo. Entonces ayudamos a la gente a que tenga su comida, su ropa, sus cosas en su casa y ha sido un crecimiento grande.
Oh, okay. ¿Me dices sobre tu otro barrio antes de venir aquí en este barrio? Dime sobre ti.
Nuestro comenzar en otro barrio difícil, de extrema educación totalmente baja, de bajos recursos, dificultades, y hemos ayudado a crecer. Y eso es un cambio de otro barrio a este barrio, y es más que todo la mentalidad.
Okay. ¿Qué tenemos a enseñar este negocio?
Ayudar a mi familia y ayudar a gente que conocía que necesitaba un carro. Entonces yo no tenía carro, entonces me propuse conseguir lo que yo no tengo, que lo tenga otro. Entonces no es algo sencillo, sino que es un cambio de actitud, de no tener a que se puede. Entonces eso es, de que otras personas tengan lo que otros tienen.
Oh, okay. ¿Tienes algún influencer de YouTube para negocios? ¿Cuál es tu favorito?
Gran Cardón.
Gran Cardón. Okay. So, okay. ¿Tienes planes para el futuro?
Ya, expandirme a todo el planeta. Un sistema de carros que no contamine y no use gasolina. Que sean carros híbridos y ayudar a la gente que consiga esos carros.
Okay. Yo, there you have it, man. It's been dope, man. I'm learning as I go, son. This is how we're gonna do this. So thank you very much for watching this video. All right. Don't forget to check out the Teespring. No Dyed Papaya. Wear my t-shirts. Buy my t-shirts. Support the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you like my cameras, don't forget to check in the description down below. I have some referral links as well. Click on those links. Get yourself some good Insta360 camera. These videos is normally shot with the Go-To. Alright, so I think it's time to go. But yeah, once again, check my referral links if you want to get yourself a nice action camera or a nice compact cameras that I've been using to do most of these vlogs with. The small one that I use that it's very inconspicuous is Insta360 Go-To. Check that out. Drop a comment in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.